Choosing a baby stroller is an important decision for every parent. Lightweight, durable, easy to fold, and having a good suspension are important details. That's exactly why we are listing the best baby strollers today. In this video, which will make it easier for you to make the best choice for your baby, we will discover the baby stroller models that best suit your needs. If you are ready, let's start. Number 5. Joolz Aer plus lightweight baby stroller. This stroller stands out with its lightweight and compact design. It weighs only 6 kilograms, can be folded with one hand, and unfolded in seconds. It's small enough to fit in an airplane cabin, so it's travel-friendly. It offers an ergonomic, spacious seating area and an extra padded mattress for your baby's comfort. Moreover, the multi-stage back adjustment and the huge sun visor with UPF 50 plus protection ensure a comfortable and protected journey. With its suspension wheels, it offers a smooth ride in the city or in the park. The ventilated back support keeps your baby fresh, even in summer. Finally, with its stylish design and premium fabrics, it is the perfect option for families who want both style and functionality. Number 4. Baby Trend Expedition. While moving comfortably even on bumpy roads with its large air-filled bicycle wheels, the 360-degree rotation of the front wheel increases maneuverability. If you want, you can provide a more controlled ride by locking it. It is very robust with its steel body, but it is also extremely easy to carry with its lightweight structure. Practical folding with one hand provides a great advantage when putting it in the car or storing it. With its wide and soft seating area, 5-point seat belt, and adjustable awning, your baby always has a safe and comfortable journey. The large carrying basket at the bottom helps you to carry many items from your bag to shopping bags comfortably, while the parent tray offers a place where you can easily put your bottle or coffee. It can also be converted into a travel system as it is compatible with baby trend car seats. A perfect choice for both active parents and those looking for comfort. Number 3. Uppababy Vista V2. A premium baby stroller that makes life with a baby more comfortable and practical. First of all, it is perfect for one child and has an expandable structure for a second child, so it easily adapts to your growing family. With its large wheels with suspension, it offers an ultra-comfortable ride even in the city, on pavements or uneven roads. It has a wide and soft seating area for your baby's comfort, and it is also suitable for newborns with its fully reclining seat. The extra-large sun canopy offers UPF 50 plus protection, protecting your baby from harmful sun rays. It also provides a spacious journey with its airy mesh windows. The huge storage basket at the bottom helps you to carry all your belongings comfortably. It is also compatible with car seats. While providing ease of use with its practical structure that can be folded with one hand, it offers a long-term investment with its stylish and durable materials. Number 2. Cybex Balios S Lux. Cybex Balios S Lux is a complete comfort package for families looking for a stylish and functional baby stroller. It stands out with its premium design, robust structure, and practical features. Firstly, its fully reclining wide seat offers an ultra-comfortable space even for newborns. Thanks to the four-wheel suspension system, it provides a smooth ride even on bumpy roads, so your baby's comfort is always at the forefront. With its compact design that can be folded with one hand, it is incredibly easy to put in the car or store at home. The large and removable sun canopy, UPF 50 plus, protects your baby from harmful rays and wind. Thanks to the large storage basket at the bottom, your handbag, shopping bags, or all your baby's needs are always close at hand. It is also compatible with Cybex car seats, so it is suitable for use from birth. Balios S Lux is definitely a great option if you want a comfortable and stylish baby stroller that does not tire you out both in daily use and on long walks. Number 1. Uppababy Cruz V2. Uppababy Cruz V2 is a premium baby stroller that combines elegance and functionality. It offers an ultra-comfortable space for your baby with its wide and fully reclining seat. With its larger wheels and double suspension system, it provides a smooth ride on all kinds of ground. Maximum comfort when traveling around the city or walking in the park. The one-handed adjustable back support allows your baby to travel in a comfortable position. UPF 50 plus sun awning offers extra protection against harmful sun rays. Foldable? It is extremely practical and easy with its foldable design in one move. The large lower basket easily carries all baby items, your shopping bag, or extra items. It is also compatible with Uppababy's baby car seats, so it is suitable for use from birth. If you are looking for a comfortable, stylish, and super practical baby stroller, Cruz V2 is for you. Here is our review of the best baby strollers. Which of these strollers, each of which addresses different needs, is the most suitable for you? Durability, comfort, portability, the decision is yours. Which one is your favorite? Write in the comments, let's discuss together. If the video was useful to you, don't forget to like it and subscribe for similar content. See you in the new videos. Goodbye for now.